Hello, I am Karesiddh, Head of Tooling and Tool Designing at Mefron. We at Mefron develop tool designing and tool manufacturing from concept to final tooling. We have highly precise state-of-art machineries like VMC and wire EDM and EDM machines, and conventional machines like lathe machine, drilling machine, radial drilling machine, and surface grinding machine and cutting machine, which are very essential for the manufacture high precise moldings. At Mefron, we have tool designing and tool manufacturing capabilities. We have state-of-art machineries to produce a high quality of toolings. Mefron means high precision tooling.